Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to program an Arduino and learn about its basic commands. So now I will write the basic program of an Arduino, which is to blink the LED, and you can also increase and decrease the blinking speed by changing its time. So first you have to download Arduino IDE, which is available in arduino.cc. So first we have to write void setup and void loop. Setup is preparation and loop is execution. Setup section is always top of our program. Here I have choose digital pin 9, but you have to choose any of the digital pins. Also I have declared a one variable which is LED. I have defined variable as a LED, you can define any. In one half cycle LED will high and in other half cycle LED will low. Now compile the program.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
In the next video we will write a program of more than one LED and make a series of it. Thanks for watching.